Hello student, welcome to my economic class. Today we'll discuss the second part of your income method, and this is your numerical examples of your income method. We'll discuss. This is the second part. So student, you have to calculate national income by income method. Given the question in the box or schedule, look here this table. Number 1, this is particulars and rupees in crores. Number 1, wages and salary 1 lakhs. Then social security contribution 20,000, old age pension 10,000, food relief 10,000, interest income 10,000, rent income 30,000, interest paid by government 2,000, dividend 20,000, undistributed profit 10,000, self-employed income 80,000. So the question is asking you to calculate the national income by income method. So income method, first it will wage and salaries plus social security contribution plus interest income plus rent income plus dividend plus undistributed profit plus self-employed income. This is the formula of the income method to calculate the national income. Once again, wages and salary plus social security contribution plus interest income plus rent income plus dividend plus undistributed profit plus self-employed income. Look the solution here. Wages and salary plus social security contribution plus interest income plus rent income plus dividends plus undistributed profit plus self-employed income. 1,20,000, 10,000, 30,000, 20,000, 10,000, 80,000. So total, the sum total of this is 2,70,000. So here you just look social security contribution. The old age pension and food relief is coming under the social security contribution. And the interest paid by government this is left. So this is the answer. Now come to the next question. See here this question. From the data given below, calculate gross domestic product at market price, gross domestic product at factor cost, and national income by income method. So today we'll discuss these things also. Particulars and crores. Mixed income of self-employed 2,82,670. Then subsidies 11,200. Rent, interest and profit 96,370. Consumption of fixed capital 40,460. Net factor income from abroad minus 2,550. Compensation of employees 1,44,200. And indirect tax 80 8,340. So first we have to calculate your GDP at market price. Look here, GDP at market price means the formula is NDP at factor cost plus depreciation plus net indirect tax. So net indirect tax means here indirect tax minus subsidy is your net indirect tax. So in GDP at market price, NDP at factor cost plus depreciation plus net indirect taxes equal to here compensation of employees plus rent, interest and profit plus mixed income of self-employed plus depreciation plus indirect tax minus subsidies. This is the thing. So NDP at factor cost, the formula is here compensation of employees plus rent, interest, profit plus mixed income of self-employed. This will be the NDP at factor cost. Okay. Once again, NDP at factor cost means compensation of employees plus rent, interest and profit plus mixed income of self-employed. See here, compensation of employee 1,44,200, then rent, interest and profit 96,370, then mixed income of self-employed 2,82,670. This is the sum total of these three things will known as your NDP at factor cost. Then plus depreciation, this is the formula, plus depreciation is here consumption of fixed capital. This is your depreciation means 40,460. Then net indirect taxes means indirect tax minus subsidy. Indirect tax is 88,340 minus 11,200. So here 88,340 minus 11,200 will subtract it, then we'll get the net indirect tax, NIT, will get it. So here by adding it, 5,23,240 plus 40,460 depreciation, this is NDP, this is okay, 5,23,240 is NDP at a factor cost, 40,460 is depreciation, 77,140 is your net indirect taxes. After all total, grand total, this is 6,40,840 is your GDP at market price. Okay, in this way we will also discuss and calculate the GDP at factor cost. We will calculate GDP at factor cost. GDP at factor cost equal to GDP at market price minus indirect taxes. So directly you do here for 6,40,840 minus net and indirect taxes is here your indirect tax minus subsidy 88,340 minus 11,200. So directly you take here 77,140. So 6,40,840 minus 77,140, calculate it, then it will be 5,63,700 crores will be the GDP at factor cost. So now we will discuss the national income. National income, the NNP at factor cost is your national income. NNP at FC is also national income. So national income calculate the formula is GDP at factor cost plus net factor income from abroad, NFIA. GDP at factor cost we got here 5,63,700 crores plus net factor income from abroad. We'll do here net factor income. Net factor income from abroad. Look here, minus 2,550 net national income at factor cost. The formula is GDP at factor cost plus net factor income from abroad minus depreciation. So GDP at factor cost we got here 5,63,700. So put here 5,63,700 plus here net factor income from abroad is minus 2,550, then minus depreciation. Depreciation means here consumption of fixed capital. Put here minus 40,460. Look here, consumption of fixed capital 40,460. So here 5,63,700 plus 700 crore plus minus 2,550 crores minus 40,460 crores. By calculating it, we get 5,20,690 crores. It was your second part of national income. You will be calculating these things, or by practicing I will send you the question. So for today this is too much. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.